Alright, hey guys.
You're gonna have to wait, bud. One thing at a time. Try it out. We got other batteries.
I know. I'm gonna mount you guys in here like that. If it's gonna slide down, but I know. This is my RC car. We just programmed it today. It's got green shocks because I had the Gravedigger. This is a company that I got. This is like scratch, built from scratch. So it has a Stampede frame with Stampede body mounts. Has a zip tie around here because, as you can see, this does not have any mounts on it. So we put a zip tie around it, breakneck style, and it works now. Oh, there it goes. I don't have a battery hold down for it. It could either put you guys like right there or right here. I'd rather put you guys right there because it's better. But I got some screws to tighten up. So if you can see that screw right there. No, you can't see it, my bad. But I'm gonna tighten up. The screws. You might see the sky for a minute, so sorry about that. But this is a two-hand job, so. Oh yeah, and I also got this for it today as well. But let's get started, shall we? I knew. Here, I was gonna flop over. Okay. I'm about to set you guys somewhere. But try to hold the phone and record. Try to drive it and record. This is the first time it's ever ran. Alright guys, that's my RC car. Comment below if you liked it. And as always, deuces.